Hey guys, it's Chaz with Churchwell Insurance Agency. Want to talk to you about a huge issue that we're starting to see with the supply chain breakdown in America, how it impacts your insurance potentially. So, rental car coverage. You're going to find that whenever you've got rental car coverage, it's typically designed to cover you in the event of a covered loss, and it's designed to go for $30 a day for up to 30 days to give you a total of $900, or maybe $50 a day up to 30 days for a total of $1,500. But what we are seeing happen right now is this. I've had more than one client come to me and tell me, hey, Chaz, our car we've been told is going to be in the shop for 2 months, 4 months. I actually had somebody tell me that their car is going to be in the shop for 7 months because of supply chain issues, and the manufacturer is saying they won't be able to get supplies until then for their parts. So where does that leave clients whenever there's an accident or something happens to where they need a rental car? If it's designed to where you're supposed to get 30 days of coverage, and we're talking months, not weeks right now. So I want to let you know I've reached out to, I want to talk about it on two things. One is the at fault or comprehensive coverage side of it, and the other is a not at fault scenario. On the at fault and comprehensive coverage side, this means that you don't have somebody else's insurance that you can go after to get this taken care of. You're going to find that I'm asking clients, based off of a conversation that I've had with multiple carriers, consider raising your insurance limits from $30 to $50. And here's why. I reached out to several carriers and said, hey, let me ask you a question. Let's say that instead of getting a $30, $40, $50 a day car, somebody got a $25 a day car, but they had $50 a day for coverage. In light of the climate that we have right now, do you think that you would allow for them to extend out and get double the amount of time, 2 months instead of 1 month? And they all of the people I reached out to, they pushed it over to claim managers. These claims managers came back and said, in most cases, we would allow, given the climate right now, for somebody to, if they had $50 a day, to go and pick up a little $25 a day car and at least be able to stretch it out for 2 months. So wanted to let you know that's something you can do. And to move from $30 to $50 on rental car coverage is usually less than $10 on your policy term. So it's not a big thing, and it could potentially save you hundreds of dollars on rental car coverages. So that's the first thing I wanted to throw at you. Now let's talk about if you're in a not at fault. I actually have a client that just emailed me this morning, say, what do I do? Should I file it through your agency or should I call my carrier? And I actually responded back really quick and said, actually, since you're the one who got hit by the other party, you don't want to file through your insurance right now if possible. I recommend you file through the other party's insurance. And the reason for that particularly right now, I could give other reasons why it would normally be a good idea, but right now it's a great idea to do that because they can't throw a 30-day cap on you for this. They've got to keep you in a rental car until you actually get your car back, until you're made whole or they total your car out, one or the other. So if you have a not at fault, file through the other party's insurance to make sure that you're being fully indemnified on this, because it's not about your coverage limits at that time. It's about their liability limits and them paying out. So Chaz with Churchwell Insurance Agency, let me know if you've got any questions, anything that we can do. Our website is churchwellagency.com, where you can reach us at 844-604-1357. And our mission is to work hard protecting what our clients work hard building. Blessings.